smell like you do. Get your pants.
Back to cleaning this mess. The boys are outside playing with their baseballs and baseball bats. They just got in from school. Gabriel missing it. Samson, be careful hitting the ground. Dylan might break the bat.
Mommy, I will hit it this time.
Please don't hit me with it. Good job.
Oh.
Today was Samson's first day back to school from being sick. Xander hopefully goes back tomorrow. This is the last week before getting out for Christmas break.
Everybody do it. That's it. Win in there.
Go get it. It's not golf. You're gonna break the bat. Don't break the bat. What are you doing? Going to grab another bat? There's another bat in that black bag over there. I need to clean up out here next. Need to borrow a truck or rent a truck and take off this pool and stuff like that because this summer we won't be here. Hopefully.
This helmet's making me sweat.
Making you sweat? Well, yeah, there's padding in the helmet. Sit it on the table.
Xander cannot use it here. I'm not playing this one. Oh, run back all the way back down.
Why didn't you bring the bat up here first, Goofy? You're a goof.
Boy, there's a ball down there.
A big goof.
Oh.
Ow! That actually kind of hurted.
Gabriel.
Alright, go play. Mommy's gotta go finish cleaning up. Well, today wasn't a very productive day. I had so much planned. I had editing planned. I had cleaning planned. And then Xander was still sick this morning, so he didn't go to school. Austin came home from work because he was sick. And I went and picked up some stuff from the kids' school. And now then, I am trying to fix this mess of a hair. Going to clean my house because my house is real dirty. But I just wanted to check on them, see what they were doing. But that's all we've done pretty much today is slept all day. You need shoes on if you're going to be outside. You're just getting over having the flu. Why are you so talky? Talky, talky, talky. Yeah, you're so talky. Did you hit your ball over too? Boy. But that's going to be about it for today, just because I have so much cleaning that I need to get done. And I will pick back up with tomorrow. I've got to get some Christmas lights put up tomorrow. And sorry about the wind. The wind's kind of blowy. So if you hear it, that's why. But this is just going to be a short little video, just updating you guys on the family. And yeah, I need to get cleaned up because we have some fun things coming up soon. We're taking a trip. We have different Christmases to go to. But I will see you guys shortly in the next video. I was going to end the video today, but little Samson was playing outside and fell and hit his lip on our concrete stairs and busted it really bad. Took him to the urgent care because I called and they said that they could do stitches. We got there, they looked at it, and because of where it's at, they won't do it. So we are headed to the hospital now to have them do it. So yeah, he just can't catch a break. He's first day back to school today, and then he gets hurt. So this is turning out to be an awesome Christmas so far. He's gonna show you his lip real quick, so if you don't like blood or wounds make you wheezy, fast forward. Can you get it? Can you see it?
Yeah, here.
Show them. And I am driving there now, so I will update you guys when we get there. And yeah, after being here for 3 hours, we finally get put into room 40. Let me see it now.
Mommy, I have to type in numbers if I want to watch something.
No, don't type in those numbers. You just press the channel button.
What channel?
It's the channel button.
What?
So the last clip you saw was of me and Samson laying on the couch together. I did sleep with him last night because he asked me to, and I took him to school this morning instead of them riding the bus because he wanted me to tell his teacher, and he is doing good. His mouth isn't bothering him. The swelling has gone down. So that's going to be it for this video. Now, I am sorry that I am still behind. Like, I just can't. There's just so much stuff that keeps happening, and it's insane. But I know that with God it's going to get better. Just, you go through some bad times, and currently we are getting tested and going through that, and everything's going to be fine and work out. But I will see you shortly. Bye guys, and thank you so much. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you are liking my videos, or if you just like this one. And don't forget to give me a comment. I would love to talk to you, and I will see you later. Thank you guys. Bye.